People on the radio can make me so mad. On the news today they talked about how horrible the climate changes all over the world are, and that they will be even worse in a few years. And right after that, in the weather report, they say something like, "Bad weather next week, it's gonna snow again." But the truth is, if you live somewhere where it's supposed to snow at a certain time of the year, you better be happy if it does. Because basically, it's the best weather you can have then. Where I live, it's natural to have snow from November until at least February. Last winter, we had snow for one day. So maybe you do need 20 more minutes to go to school or to work. But you ought to be thankful if the weather wherever you are in the world behaves the way it should. I really don't want to teach or anything, but take care of your environment. Global warming's not a joke. And I like my winter.